Okay guys, so quick like one season update on the Rhino blind. This is the Rhino 150. I think I paid like 180 or 130, somewhere around in there for this thing. I pretty much bought it because my sister wanted to hunt with me, but I kind of bought it a little early or a little late, and just kind of tucked it right here, and she hasn't got to really hunt with me yet. But this is just like an update on this thing. It's been sitting here pretty much since a couple weeks before bow season, archery season started for deer, and I think that was like September 23rd, September, like top or upper 3/4 of September. So late September. And it has sat up here ever since, and it has withstood 3 winter, not blizzards, but 3 winter storms, 2 or 3 windstorms, and just recently we had a massive storm come through just a few days ago. And I'm talking like this place was getting hit with 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. I was checking traps for, I had set 2 bucket set traps, and I was checking them, and I was actually afraid that a tree was going to get blown over on me, because there's some pretty rough, like dead trees back in there that are still standing. But the only damage, no, not even damage, like this thing, I just pulled the stakes out. It did not even pull the stakes up. I kind of like put one stake in this way and the other stake in that way, kind of 45-degree them, so they weren't being pulled straight up. They were being pulled against each other, and that works really good. But the only thing that happened to this blind in that whole entire time was during one of these storms, and I would assume it was probably the most recent big storm. I guess a wind came through this little opening right here that I made for my shooting lane, and this piece of the pop out was popped in. Like literally, that's it. It is totally fine. I popped it back out. There's no sun fading on this thing whatsoever, and it has literally sat out for over, let's see, September, October, November, December, January, February, 5 months roundabout, like give or change a week, 5 months. And I mean, there's not a speck of harm. This thing is perfectly fine. So if you're looking for a cheaper blind and you see this one, I fully back this blind. Like, it is 100% perfectly okay. There is nothing wrong with it. And like I said, it's been sitting out here for almost half a year, and it is totally fine. So yes, I really do recommend the Rhino blind. The reason why I'm taking it down right now is because a buddy of mine wants to do a little bit of coyote hunting in Virginia, and I think it's supposed to be like really, really cold the next few days down there. So we're going to take something to hopefully help keep us out of the weather a little bit. I'm going to take the bullpup shotgun, which you guys still haven't seen yet, so I'm sorry about that. Just working malfunctions, like computers acting up and stuff. Just if you don't make a channel, if you don't make videos, you won't understand the struggle of even just keeping a computer working properly enough to, make videos. But the computer keeps crashing. Right now I can't get it to connect to my SD card to pull the video footage off of my GoPro card. But anyway, this is just kind of like a 1-season update on this rhino blind. You can see right there. Fantastic blind. I do kind of want to try out tidwe or whatever you say. They have like a 360 view blind. I kind of would like to try it out and compare. So tidwe, if you see this, you and y'all send me one of those clear like 360 degree view blinds, please. Thank you. And yeah, I mean, so far the rhino blind, fantastic. No complaints whatsoever. Nice, roomy, good inside. I love this blind. So if you want one, I highly recommend it. tidwe, if you see this, send me something to compare to this thing. All right, bye.